Fiddler had a huge family, but his wife was always moaning because Dick didn't like to work. "Richard," his wife would say, "go to work, the children are starving." But all he would say was, "I'll make my money in my own way." That was true, but whenever there was 1 shilling in his pocket, off he would go to the pub. Now, Dick loved to play the fiddle, and he loved to play them at festivals and fairs. One day, he was playing at a fair near Montgomeryshire when he had a longing to go see his wife and children. So he started walking. But when he got to Fairy Green Lane, he hit a solid wall of dread. Fairy Green Lane was where the fairies lived and danced. And it was getting dark. So, out of fear, he pulled out his violin from his waistcoat pocket. And he played the Blackbird's Wing, which I'm going to try and play. Out of Fairy Green Lane, he saw a light in the distance and he ran. But he was annoyed by a rattling in his fiddle. But he didn't have time to see what it was. When he got there, he opened the door, and as soon as he sat down on the chair next to the table, his wife said, "Brought any money home?" Thought not. She's sassy. And then it said, "Quick, there's something in my fiddle." He tipped his fiddle upside down, and wedged in one of the F-holes was a crown coin. I couldn't actually put a crown coin in there, but you know. So his wife got her tweezers and pulled out the coin and said, "Go and pay the rent and have a bite." She never let him have a pint. So he went up to the landlord's house, banged upon the door, and said, I have money to pay the rent." The door opened. "Really?" the landlord said. 1 shilling then." So Dick handed over the crown coin and said, "I want change and a receipt." Once he had got the change and the receipt, he went to the market and bought the biggest goose he could find, because it was Christmas after all. And halfway through the meal, there was a bang upon the door and a call came from the other side. "Dick the Fiddler, get out here now." Dick got up, went to the door and opened it. It was the landlord. "Dick the Fiddler, where did you get that crown coin from? Because when I went to count my money, it had turned into poo." So Dick told him the whole story. "Well," the landlord said, "fairy money. I'll have that goose, it's rightfully mine." "No," said Dick. "You should have spat on me. I have changed the receipt. That goose is rightfully mine. Goodbye." And shut the door in the landlord's face. Dick never was scared of going into Fairy Green Lane after that, but sometimes he did hear Blackbird's Wing being played in the distance.